mai, kia ora, my name is Jordan.
E mai Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Owen. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Ratu, the 17th of Mow-vember.
Okay, straight into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is pakeke, which is te reo for grown up.
As in, kia pakeke haere koe. E te tau. You grown up, my darling.
Yeah, I got a job interview this afternoon contracting on the coast.
Okay, health and safety news. Year 5, 6, 7 and 8 students are allowed over the road at interval and lunchtime.
Make sure you use the zebra crossing correctly to retain the privilege.
High-vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. Ka pai.
And remember your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Thank you.
Miniball news. You don't have a training today.
WINTON'S Got Talent. A wonderful day yesterday with some fantastic Year 3-4 acts.
It's the same again today. The hall will be open at 12:40 for supporters, fans and audience members.
All performers must have their music to Mr. Wadsworth already and be ready in the hall at 12:30. Kai kaha.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo.
Stay sharp and haere Winton School.